This method is completely free. The required tool link is available in the video description. First, open the tool and connect the phone to the computer in MTP mode. Then click Unlock FRP button. Wait until the process is finished and do not touch the phone during this time. During the process, the phone may restart 2 to 3 times. This is normal. Once the process is completed, the phone will be successfully unlocked from FRP. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.